Hi friends, right from our childhood, we definitely would have heard about Rasna brand at least once. This video will be interesting since we will look at Rasna's growth strategy in the years to come. So don't skip this video and I assure you, you'll have something valuable to learn at the end. Moving on, the company Jaffe in Ahmedabad was officially rebranded as Rasna in 1976 and launched by Mr. Firoz Shah Kambata. Now, Rasna's legacy is maintained by its third generation entrepreneur, Mr. Piruz Kambata, grandson of Mr. Firoz Shah. Most importantly, Rasna had successfully weathered the onslaught of local competitors and MNCs like Pepsi, Cola, and it still commands over 80% market share in $2.5 billion premix soft drink market. But it doesn't mean that everything is right for Rasna. The premix soft drink segment, which used to grow at 20% year on year, has slowed down to single digits around 5 to 10% last year. Next, competition is also gaining strength. So, in this video, we will look at the challenges that Rasna face and what are the growth strategies that Rasna has adopted to expand its market share. Before we proceed further, I request you to take a moment and subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Moving on, the first challenge that Rasna faces is evolving demographics in Indian market. In 1980s and 90s, most of Rasna's ads targeted children and their mother. I Love You Rasna campaign was born which made children die-hard fans of Rasna.
ये है रसना प्यारा रसना I love you रसना I love you रसना I love you रसना I love you रसना.
But now those kids have grown up and become adults and the ads which targeted children might not stay always relevant to its old customers. So the important thing Rasna did is reinvent its ad marketing campaign. Importantly, in recent few years, Rasna has launched ad campaigns where middle-aged people, teens are also shown to enjoy Rasna along with children. Ads by Kareena Kapoor and recent ad by Tamanna Bhatia celebrities show those target audience change in their ads.
बस रसना देसी मसाला बनाया सबको मजा आया है लव यू रसना.
The second challenge that Rasna faces is again related to demographics on how to target the new Gen Z and Gen Alpha generation. Gen Z and Gen Alpha generation have different likings and preferences. They prefer to have healthy functional drinks with high nutritional benefits. Also, they seem to like and try unique flavors. Most importantly, they can't be reached in traditional channels. So, Rasna has tied up with many influencers to promote Rasna drinks in YouTube, Instagram, and other non-traditional video sharing platforms. To influence new generation who like to try new flavors, there are many YouTube shorts and Insta video campaigns which show how to make new drinks out of Rasna such as Rasna Popsicles, Rasna Faluda, Rasna Ice Cream and many others. The third issue is to compete with D2C brands and cater to customers who spend their time online. So to capture market share in online segment, Rasna is increasing its presence in e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, Nature's Basket and others. Since customers look for premium products online, Rasna has launched its premium products like Protein Vita, Rasna Natural 100% online. To increase its digital presence, Rasna's digital spend has also increased from less than 10% to close to 30%, and in the future it's expected to increase even more. The next thing that was bothering Rasna's chairman Mr. Firuz was its limited presence in premix powder category. Since soft drink market is much larger and the new generation are preferring energy drinks and instant drinks, Rasna has made huge investments and roadways into these categories. Importantly, it has launched products like Rasna Quash, Rasna Insta and Rasna Honey as well. We are in the final section of this video. Rasna hasn't limited its growth to just Indian market. Mr. Piruz has also been aggressive to expand its international presence. Currently, Rasna is available in more than 50 countries and about 35% of its total revenues are coming from exports. In future, it's expected to reach 50% of revenues. Rasna is also making sure that every product exported is meeting the requirements of its target countries, which means that the product exported to Middle East countries will have a different product mix than products exported to Paris or Germany or those manufactured for Indian customers. The other important point is Rasna is also looking to manufacture products abroad in countries like Egypt, Indonesia and Philippines in order to save costs incurred in logistics and paying duties. So these are some of the most important growth strategies and action plans that Rasna is actively adopting to increase its revenue and market share. Rasna had been greatly successful in creating an emotional connect with children and mother through multiple ad campaigns which other competitors haven't replicated yet. But it's also true that other than powdered premix segment, Rasna hasn't made significant progress in other segments. Time can only tell if Rasna can make progress with its growth strategies amidst existing competition and changing market environment. That's it for today, guys. If you want to read more about this case study, you can check the links given in the description. If you find this video interesting, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Small actions like this will motivate me to make more such videos. I'll meet you again in next video, and until then, take care. Bye bye.